How's it, guys? I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have everyone back here. Just want to quickly do a quick update. It's going to be a short video, 5 to 10 minutes long. I want to speak about what coins are actually bouncing at support and which coins we can look at for potential spot buys and potential low leverage longs, right? So I'm going to go over a couple because I do think that some coins are potentially breaking out on the daily time frame. Obviously, we do have to wait for some confirmations, but that is why you're in the Telegram group, right? So essentially, the first token that I want to go over is XLM, guys. We've been speaking about this in the Telegram. We did buy some at these lows, but have a look at the daily time frame. We're about to close pretty much back above this level here, looking at a 37 to 40% upside potential, right? So what I want to see happen is if we zoom in here, I want to see price get above this yellow line. Okay. The reason is why it has to be above there, because that would be the break of the previous high as well. It'll also be a break of support, and it would also be a break of trend, right? Because if you look at this downward sloping trend line over here, every single time price has hit this level, we've got reacted, right? We got respected from the zone multiple times. So if we can somehow get above here, then we can look for those spot longs within tomorrow. So this is the token I'm looking at, one of them, right? Another token was Brett. We actually did miss this token this morning, guys. So basically, what I was looking at, basically it was over here, right? If we take the replay tool, it's a bit annoying. Here we go. So this morning in the update, I literally said, guys, Brett's trying to break out here. We're trying to get a break above, back into the range, and I was looking for longs, right? And then what actually happened, if we look at the 50-minute time frame, if we play it out. Let's play it out over here. You can see we got to close above there, but what I was waiting for was actually waiting for the 4-hour time frame to close, right? And essentially, it hasn't even closed. It's pretty much hit all the targets. So, yeah, Brett is doing something crazy right now. I think we're gonna see a potential break of this level here. So if we somehow get a retracement today or something like this, even like at a 0.6 fib, I'd be interested in playing the long, even to break out of this high, right? Because this is a huge, volume candle. So there's potential for Brett to continue higher, even back up to all these levels at the top of it here. So Brett's also on the cards, I'll be honest with you. Another one on the cards is XRP, right? We've been speaking about this in the Telegram group as well. And essentially, it's all about this 2.944 level, right? If we can somehow close above this level here on the 4-hour, more so the daily though, it would be, more the daily. The reason why it's the daily, because if you look at the daily time frame, we had support over here. Then we flipped into resistance. So we had support, flipped back into support, and then we flipped into resistance. Right now, we are currently at resistance. So can we take a long right now? Of course not, because we are at resistance, right? We need price to obviously take out that level before we even consider going long. So XRP definitely on the table for more upside. Okay, so those three. Then I'm going to go through one more, which is actually a new token that just came out. I think a lot of you guys know it's Aster, right? Aster's super close here for a breakout, guys. Have a look at this, right? So Aster's approaching a very key level here. Right now, we are getting a bounce from that level, that 1.4688, which is also the 0.786 fib level. But also, we are still below trend. But structurally, this is still very bullish, right? This is a corrective structure, which we can potentially see upside of around about $3.3. Okay, so it's just going to be a short update, but those are the three tokens that I believe, like within the next couple of days, are looking very decent, right? I think XMR was one of them as well. We did speak about XMR, and we did buy XMR within this box over here. So first TP did actually get hit with this with XMR. Another token before I jump off quickly is WorldCoin. I want to speak about WorldCoin, guys. So WorldCoin, literally, guys, WorldCoin still in the buy zone, guys. Still in the buy zone here. And it's honestly, if you guys don't think this is going to flip bullish here, I don't know where you get your heads at, right? I mean, generally looking at the weekly time frame, this is looking absolutely beautiful. It's just a weekly retest, right? So WorldCoin also, guys, you have a lot of upside potential for WorldCoin. I think a lot of people are sleeping on this one, right? You got 100% to TP1. You got 400% to TP2, and then you got 800% to TP3, right? This is obviously if we do get a bounce from the zone, but I do think that we will, right? So those are the 4 tokens that I'm currently looking at right now. So I hope everyone had a good video, a good watch. I'm not saying, like, I know most of my live streams and stuff, you know, is me being more bullish than bearish. And the thing is, you know, mostly I'm just looking at the tokens that are actually looking good, right? So XLM, where's it? XLM looking beautiful. Ethereum also, right? Ethereum also wants to break out here. So I'm just waiting for the 4 hour close above 4,261. We get above that level, we're back above the range, right? So we have potential to take out these highs. We have liquidity literally sitting right over here. Bang, right? So if we can get above here, we can look for longs back up to there. We've got XRP looking quite good. We've got bread that is pretty much already played out, and then WorldCoin, beautiful buy zone right now. All right, thank you so much, guys. Make sure you guys do join the Telegram group. Link is in the description. And also, if you can, like the stream, like the video and subscribe to the channel. That'll be amazing. And yeah, let's make some money. So join the Telegram group.